On my way home, coming from work, and it's kind of drizzling. So I'll be just recording this for time being, and this is how my route takes when I use my bicycles, especially this one, my e-bike. Actually, it's an e-fat bike. I'm sorry for camera that I'm using because it's mounted on my helmet. Kind of looking around sides and surrounding, and for safety reasons. Anyway, hope that I could share to you some nice contents on the next few days. I've been watching inspirations from my favorite 40s and 50s and 60s and even 80s YouTube channels like Kevin Colby, Ralph the Maritimer, Alexa, Mike Bayer, and also Think Media, Sean, Think Media. I've shifted for a while on watching other contents about sports, analytics, and the likes. Debates about the GOAT and everything. And now, this is the Philippines, and that's how much gasoline and diesel costs here. And about $1 in a liter. Everybody's on a rush because they don't want to get caught in the rain. Be careful and ride safe, everybody, when you go cycling. Especially if you're in the Philippines, okay? Observe your hearing and observe your safety, observe your safety gears. And yeah, hopefully before I get home I won't be that much wet with this rain. Today it's not raining, it's kind of drizzling. And this is one way that I integrate my cycling hobby from my active work, which is from 9 to 5. 9 to 5, we build a life. 5 to 9, no, 5 to 10, we build our dreams. And just like any small YouTuber like me, who are in the same age as me, 50s or any younger, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s, whatever. Hope you enjoy my video for the afternoon. And Hopefully I could know no edits. Anyway, I cannot show you my face right now because I'm wearing my full face mask and it is attached here. Maybe later I'll show it to you. Anyway, when I was at work, I joined this community of Alexa and Rob, the Maritimer, Creators Cove, and School of Alexa, and it was a positive thing that I joined the community and met some new creators at my age group. Hi everybody. Hope well is good and hope to hear from you guys, and hope we can learn from each other and grow on this new venture that we are in. And now kind of busy. Sorry for my camera, it's moving too much. I'm just trying to be cautious about other vehicles passing by my left side. Anyway, it's kinda gloomy today. It rained the whole day, and I was planning to make a video about the relevance of having a good nutrition in cycling, and at the same time doing a business and being a business owner, and during your work day, and how you express delivery Robinson, loading and unloading zone. Anyway, next time I'll expound on it in my next video. But for now, when you ride through busy streets, actually this is not yet busy because this is more expanded already. An expanded road. Now going home. Now, don't forget to have protective gears like a helmet, your raincoat, reflectors, lights, especially at the back where you can not be able to always look back and see what's coming. And always be careful on people that are crossing the street. You'll never know. And stray dogs, so be careful. Always have to pack your gears right. Have your phone and anything that is prone to be destroyed if there's going to be a heavy downpour. Okay. Hopefully before I get home with space like this. It's about 6 kilometers from my work to the house. And you know, that gives me a good way to exercise and stretch my legs in the whole day that I walk around and sit around my work. And oh, excuse me. So it's good to have small ways of integrating your hobby with your work and your lifestyle. Try through KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. See? Okay. I'm riding my quad bike, my e-bike, so I could save Mother Earth from emitting more carbon from our vehicles that uses gasoline. But anyway, if there's anything that you want me to discuss or want me to share, or maybe you would like me, or you would like anything, any topic that I could basically discuss, you can comment down below. And I'm not an expert, okay? I'll share to you what I know and what I could be based on my experience or what I see. Okay, so man, if there's anything that you want me to share, and if there's anything that I would be able to help you with, just comment below. And through His grace, hopefully we can cope with it and help the both of us for clarity and hope. Right now I'm nearing the house, and hopefully it won't rain that much now. I was supposed to go on a ride for at least an hour or so, but I don't know how many minutes will this take. 10-15 minutes from the time I recorded this. Anyway, everybody keep safe. If you're here in the Philippines, ligayang Pasko! Manigong bagong taon. In English, Merry Christmas in advance and a Happy New Year to everybody on this coming 2025. And may His grace always be with you and blessings as always. Cheers, everybody! Cheers! Okay?
Sky.